Based on the feedback from our customers, we have developed a number of systems. In most work-holding cases, OK VISE can now offer the core components for every solution. OK VISE systems can be used on all platforms and nearly all possible workpiece types. When compared to traditional machine vices, modular fixtures composed of generic fixturing components from OK VISE are more flexible and offer more opportunities for future expansion. The exciting multi-rail system consists of modules which are optimized for rapid changing of the stopper, side guide and riser block positions. The patent-pending combo rail is a unique concept which can be set to work in floating mode or centralizing mode, which are often needed when machining castings, and also in machine vice mode, which offers workers better ergonomics. The concept is complemented by the grid system, in which the components are fastened to a grid platform. These systems can also be used in innovative combinations. If you are investing in a fixturing system for any machining center, OK VISE should be your first choice. Customers producing in high volumes may prefer to build their fixtures using components for dedicated fixturing from OK VISE. Using blank system components, building an optimized product-specific fixture is easier than ever. Platforms such as tooling blocks, rotary pallet systems, and subplate systems are also on offer through our official distributors.